Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, to Alec Benjamin's and one of his best songs of the newer releases here. This is called Arsonist. Alright, so it's a 4-chord song. We have a capo set here on the 4th fret, and we have the E minor, C, G, and D, the famous 4. So let's go for the chords. We're gonna use E minor first, like we said, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord is C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G. You can go with this. I actually play just the bass of this G chord. I'm going to show you the full chord, but then I use only the bass of it. So first, the full chord will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the reason for me just using the bass is because I want to highlight certain notes. But if you don't want to do that, then you just go for the full chord. But I use just the third E and second A. That's what I'm holding when I'm playing the song for the G chord. The next is the D, and we're going to go with this version. It looks exactly as the C, the same grip, you just move it 2 frets towards you to this position, and it gives you 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Okay, so there you have the chords and the chord progression: E minor, C, G, or the bass there, and the D. So first, the notes. We're gonna go chord by chord. So E minor first, it will be like this. Sorry. Like that. So it's open E string, then open B, and second G. For the C chord, we're gonna play. So that is third on A, first B, and open B. For G, it's, so that is third on E string, open B, and second G. And for D, it will be, so that is 5th on A, 4th D, 5th D. All right. Yeah, so that's the melody. Now we're gonna go for strumming here and then try to combine the notes and build them into the strumming. So one string around is a little bit different, this rhythm here. So it goes like that. So it's down, down, up, then up, clap, up. Okay, usually clap comes earlier in this kind of strumming pattern, but it comes here in the end of this one. So down, down, up, clap, up. A couple rounds. And you could go with just playing this, no notes to care about, and play one string around per chord in the same chord progression through the entire song, and that will give us like that. It works perfectly fine, but if you want to highlight the notes here, then you go and try to get these notes into the strumming, and it could sound something like this. Much better, because I haven't practiced this at all pretty much. So anyway, what you're gonna do here is to use the E minor for here, and then you get the 2nd fret G string with perhaps your little pinky. That's what I think I'm gonna do, or do. So you try to really get these downs and ups there, and short downs and ups, so you really can point out the actual notes you want to highlight. So that's E minor. And the next there, C, comes on the 1st fret B string. and open B. And then comes the notes there on G, open B and second G. And that's the reason for me not care about the last strings there that actually belongs to the G chord. I just play bass and then focus more on the melody, on the open B, second G, and then here on the D, I use my little pinky to get the fifth D under there. So that is how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Alec Benjamin's Arsonist, one of his best songs lately, in my opinion. So give it a try. Till next time, play tuned.